Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be sharing my experience and the videos recorded with this GoPro Hero 9 that I bought 6 years ago. This GoPro is still going strong and I'm really satisfied with it. It's like a friend which you take for granted, and whenever you need him, it's always there. Actually, I used this action camera really rough and have dropped it so many times, but it still kept working. When I bought it, and even now, people talk bad about the GoPros, that they are glitchy, they heat up, and they are not good anymore. But after using the GoPro for 6 years, I'm really satisfied with it. It does get hot in hot weather. Recording 4K resolution video at 60 FPS really makes any camera hot. And for the glitches, just update the firmware and it's okay. You just have to usually just turn on the camera and it starts recording. And the video quality is still top notch, even in 2026. In this video, I will be showing you different clips that I recorded using this GoPro. I did not use any gimbal. Most of the time I just wear a collar mount for wearing this dashcam on my neck. I did not use any additional mic for recording the audio, and I did buy high capacity batteries and I used several 128GB SD cards. So now let's start with the clips. I have recorded these in all possible conditions, in water, at the beach, on mountains, while driving, recording YouTube videos and even cycling. So let's start watching the clips, and I will leave it up to you to decide whether buying a GoPro in 2026 is still worth it or not.
डिस्प्ले ख़राब है, हमें पता ही नहीं है कौन लीव खाता है। हाँ, हम लोग उससे बातें कर ही जा रहा हूँ मैं अभी घर जाके ना। अब मैं खड़ा हो गया हूँ, अब मैं बैठ गया हूँ।
today?
We'll come back out and
दिन को goes. It is pretty hot.